So here I have the Mercedes C-Class W204. I have a key and I need to do a service reset because I've just done it. So what we do is you put the key in, turn it, put the ignition on, and it tells you that it was due, right? So then you have to push the OK to get back to the odometer. And then I need two hands, so I'm going to put it under my chin like that. And you hold down the telephone and OK. So telephone, OK, and hold them until you get your Assist Plus. And then you use this, you go down, Assist Plus, OK, full service, OK. Confirm full service, yes, yes, yes. Cannot be undone. Confirm. Full service completed. All done.